So how is plasma formed? Plasma is essentially formed by a single process called ionization. You add enough energy to a gas to knock electrons off its atoms. That's basically it. Once the electrons break free, the gas becomes officially plasma. Now that energy can arrive in three ways: as heat, as an electric field, or as radiation. Radiation meaning high energy light. Any of them, given enough strength, will do it. For sure. Now what makes this precise is there is a threshold. Every atom holds its electrons with a specific grip. A specific amount of energy needed to free one, yeah? Below that threshold, adding energy only warms the gas. Cross it and the electrons begin to break loose and the matter changes entirely. It becomes plasma. This is a real change of state. It's as genuine as ice melting into water, as water becoming steam. It's simply one step further along. It's a true change of state. And it runs in both directions. So if you add energy and the matter climbs towards plasma, if you remove energy, let it cool, and the electrons rejoin their atoms, and plasma settles back into ordinary gas. This is exactly how the whole early universe cooled out of plasma into atoms. One process, ionization, or the reverse, governed entirely by energy, moving up or down. So in nature, this happens constantly. The upper edge of our atmosphere is bathed in ultraviolet light from the sun, strong enough to ionize the thin air there. We call that layer the ionosphere. It is a permanent shell of plasma, wrapped around our planet, made continuously by sunlight. It has been above you every day of your life. Now, here is why this matters for the work we do. Because plasma is made by controlled input of energy, it can be created deliberately, precisely, thoughtfully, and reversibly. It is not rare, it is not unstable, and it does not have to be captured or held by force. It is a state you can bring into being on purpose by turning on the button and hold steadily by choosing the different programs that plasma unit emits, and then end it cleanly. That is the thing you need if you ever hope to structure a plasma field, because you cannot structure what you cannot reliably make and hold. Plasma responds obediently to a precise input of energy and frequency. It forms exactly when and how you ask it to. Now, here is your way to notice plasma today, because we're doing the art of noticing plasma process here. And it's exactly what this session is answering. Forming plasma is a threshold being crossed. Just like from solid to liquid, or from liquid to gas. So the next time let's say a flame catches on a stove or a light flickers on, watch for the precise instant it happens, the moment dark, ordinary matter becomes something that glows. That instant is ionization. It is plasma forming right in front of you. It is the same event in miniature that lit the first stars. Most of us have seen it countless times, but never really looked. Look at it once and you will have watched plasma being born all the time.